Arrodíese.
No.
Arrodíese. Go ahead.
¡Ay, pendejo!
Arrodíese.
4 p.m., a U.S. Border Patrol agent reported footprints from a group of 5 to 6 individuals approximately 200 yards north of the border and 20 miles northwest of the Eagle Pass port of entry. The agent used his service radio to notify other agents in the area as he tracked.
Arrodíese. 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 No, arrodíese. Si tiras algo te voy a matar. Te disparo. Te disparo. Arrodíese. 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 Go ahead.
¡Ay, pendejo!
Arrodíese. Arrodíese. Shots fired. Shots fired. Arrodíese.
¡Mátame! ¡Mátame!
Arrodíese.
¡Mátame, pendejo! ¡Mátame!
Hey, shots fired. Shots fired. Arrodíese.
Alpha Jones Drive.
I'm trying to take care of the wounds right now. Señor, ¿qué sientes? Señor, señor, ¿qué sientes?
Muerte.
¿Ah?
Muerte.
Estoy tratando de parar la sangre. No te preocupes, señor. Vas a vivir, ¿ok? Vas a estar bien.
What's your status out there?
I'm treating the subject's wounds right now. He's been shot in the leg.
Do I have any assisting or going out to assist? Shots fired. Yeah, to the part of the shooters in the area. Sir, you're on the radio.
Yes. Sorry, can you put me come in?
10-4, do we have the status on?
Can you come in? Sorry, can you make what?
Just for me, I'll still check on it.
Señor,
Perdón.
tú vas a vivir, ¿ok?
You might want to notify DPS if anyone is in the area to assist as well.
Estoy hablando con agua.
No tengo agua. No, aquí tengo agua, mira.
Copy agents. Go ahead.
Ay.
Hey, what's the status? Find out. Someone is bad up there where they're at.
Ay.
Hey, Captain, copy.
¿De qué país eres ciudadano, señor?
Sound like it was Jones.
Mexicano.
Quemado. We're en route now.
¿Ah?
About 10 mics out.
No, quédate ahí. Quédate ahí, ya viene el médico. Ya viene un médico.
Hey. I got DPS. We're already bad.
Ay, vato. Qué chingado. Ay, man. Ay.
¿Cómo te llamas? ¿Cuál es tu nombre? ¿Ah? ¿Cómo te llamas?
Hey, request EMS to get out there in their location. Copy.
Ay.
Ya. Say again.
Send EMS out there.
Ay, vale. Ay. Todo lo del
Hey,
momento.
copy.
No me quitas la esposa, ¿ok?
10-4, ma'am. Please notify DPS. We have an airship available. An air unit available.
Oh,
Mueve la cabeza.
ya me puedo ver.
10-4, let me see what I can get, sir.
10-4.
Ay,
No me puedo quitar.
ay, güey.
Right here!
Ay, man. Ay. Ingo. Ay.
Right here!
Ay, man. Ay.
I just kept my my cloth on right here.
Ay.
Do you have an undershirt by chance?
Yeah, I do. Can you, if you hold this, I can get it out.
Ay. Ay.
¿Cómo te llamas, señor? Shit, I hope he's not going.
Did it go through?
I don't know.
Units on the ground, be
I don't think-
advised, I have...
Here, could you hold pressure with your knee instead of your hand?
Yeah.
Like put all your fucking body weight on it.
Okay.
Oh.
Yes.
Ay,
Hey, be advised. I'm coming into Quemado now.
mi pata, güey, mi pata.
I'll let you know when we get on Jones Road.
Ay, ay, ay. Mi pata, güey.
No te muevas, ¿entiendes?
Traffic up there.
Ah.
¿Cómo te llamas? ¿Cómo te llamas?
Hey, we're gonna need life support. I can get courts in a minute.
¿Cómo estás matando con la pata?
You said you don't have an undershirt? or
I do, I do.
You do? I'm trying to get his. Just make sure you keep your pressure on your knee.
Oh.
This one? Yeah, get that off.
Oh. Oh.
You shoved it in there?
No, I didn't.
No?
It's still on at the time.
I was trying to push it in there, but then I was like, you know what? Let me just keep pressure.
Is it high enough? Yeah. Perfect. All right. Let me set the fucking tourniquet on here.
Okay.
All right. I'm gonna take his pants off. I need you to put
Okay.
your chest down
Okay.
in there. All right.
Okay.
Right over the middle.
Ay, ay, ay.
Hey, what's your status?
Ay, vato.
We're gonna need life flight.
Ay, ay. Ay, ay, ay. Ay. No te aquí, aquí. Vete cuidado.
Todo está bien, señor. Cálmate.
I'm right with them right now. I'm not sure what's going on there.
No, man. Au.
Te calmas, te calmas.
Ay. Ay, me estás chingando con la pata gasoso.
He's putting a tourniquet on right now.
Oh, thank you. Come on now.
Ay, ay, ay. 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 Ay.
Te calmas.
Hey, man, the comms are really bad. I can't even get up on the radio either.
Ay, güey. A ver, vato.
Someone up close, switch the and realize he was.
Au. Au.
Hey, sir, can you guys, please keep us abreast of what's going on and keep them on the regular channel so we can copy everything.
Hablándome, señor. ¿Cómo se llama? ¿Cuál es tu nombre?
Ay, estás en la pata, me está moviendo, güey.
¿De dónde eres?
Este, mira, no.
Hey, cop and I are putting a tourniquet on right now.
Chocando, güey.
Michoacano.
Ay, ya.
Bueno, bueno.
Ay, mijo, me está chingando la pata. Ay.
No. Quédate ahí.
No,
We're off of Jones Road in the brush. If you we should be on there, or at least the gray spot where I lost.
no. Au. Au. Ay, vato.
Status on injury, we can let EMS know.
Hey, trying to get life flight if you can.
Can you get life flight? He has been shot in the leg, and we just put a tourniquet on.
Sir, córrete en tu espalda. Bueno.
The subject